Welcome dear students, hope you all are good. So here dear students, we are going to start our new chapter, construction of quadrilaterals. So friends, you know that you can construct a quadrilateral. First of all, for construction you need to remember that in the construction part you have to make a first rough sketch. So freehand rough sketch you can make it very easy, and then by seeing to that rough sketch you can draw actual fair quadrilateral. So friends, you know that quadrilateral has total 10 parts. It is having 4 sides, 4 angles and the 2 diagonals. So to construct a quadrilateral we will need a data of about 5 special parts out of 10. Then you can easily draw the quadrilateral. Friends, simply the quadrilaterals are constructed by splitting up the figure into 2 triangles. So we are going to start our exercise 14th A. So let's start it. So friends, here you can see that it is a first question that construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which side AB is what? 3.6 centimeter. Side BC is 5.5 centimeter, side CD is 4.9 centimeter, side DA is 5.3 centimeter and AC is what? 7.2 centimeter. So first of all I'll draw the rough sketch here. So I'll take a 7.2 here. This is my AC side, which is 7.2 centimeter. Okay. So then I'll construct it. AB is what? 3.6. So AB will come from A here, that is 3.6 centimeter. This is AB. Then BC we have to take. BC is what? 5.5. So friends, you can take it 5.5. A rough can be according to your choice. It can be just a rough figure. Next CD is what? 4.9. So C to D will come downside here, that is a 4.9 centimeter. We'll give a name CD. And then last DA is what? 5.3. So you can go from here to here, that is 5.3 centimeter. So now this is, remember this is a rough sketch. Okay, now we'll draw actual diagram here. So just you need to take a first scale. So take here AC. So friends, we'll take here AC. It is 7.2. So take it 7.2. And name it AC. It is 7.2 centimeter. Okay. So now we need to draw this AB. This AB is 3.6 centimeter. So what we do with this A as a center? This A as a center, I am going to draw this AB, which is what? 3.6 centimeter, and I am going to draw an arc here on this side of AC. Okay, so now I am going to measure this in this rounder 3.6. so measure here 3.6. It is 3.6. okay, so by taking A as a center I am going to draw arc this side. I have drawn this arc. Now you need to draw this CB, or you can say BC side, which is 5.5. So C as a center I need to cut this here. So I will take a 5.5. So you have to be very sharp in measurement here. 5.5. So this is a 5.5. Take C as a center and cut here. So these arc intersect here. To intersect the arc, as you can see here. So now just take a scale, and whatever point you got here, this you can say this is a B. Okay, if suppose this is the extra one, you can erase it. Just simply now join this BA and write down here 3.6 centimeter. In the same way this BC, B to C you need to join, and you will see it is what? 5.5 centimeter. So now friends, from A to D we have to measure here 5.3. So what I'll do, I'll take A as a center and I'm going to draw on this side of AC one arc. So this I have taken a 5.3. So just keep this A as a center and you need to draw the arc here. So simple, draw this arc. Now I want to draw DC, that is a 4.9. So I will take 4.9 here, measurement, and this is a 4.9. Okay. So with a C as a center, I'll cut this arc. So now dear friends, we got this point as a D. So now I'm using pen, but you students have to use pencil only. So here you can draw. This is what you got, AD, and this is your AC measurement. So friends, you can write down here, this is 5.3 and this is 4.9 centimeter. So friends, this is our fair figure and this is a rough sketch. You can write down this is a fair sketch, okay, and this is a rough sketch. So construction of quadrilateral is very simple. Just you need to understand what is given data, and the at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are given out of the 10. So you can easily draw the rough. Then you have to implement it in a fair. So now friends, we have to construct one more triangle, which is the given data is available. So we'll construct first of all rough figure. Here BD is what, 6 centimeter. So you can take here BD as a 6 centimeter. So then this AB is there, so you can go for it, AB, which is a 6 centimeter. Then AD is there, 4 centimeter, so take it 4 centimeter here. Then C to D, it is given that 7 centimeter. So this is a point C, and then last BC is what, 5 centimeter. So it is a 5 centimeter. So now based on the rough figure, we'll try to construct the original quadrilateral. So first of all, we'll take a BD as a 6 centimeter here. This is 6 centimeter. You have to take with a pencil. So it is B to D, 6 centimeter. Now I will draw B to A. Considering B as a center, I will cut a arc this side. It's a 6 centimeter. So just take it 6 centimeter here. With B as a center, just cut this arc here, okay? Now we need to take A to D, that is a 4 centimeter. So we'll reduce the distance. We want a 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter is here. So with a D as a center, we'll cut this arc. We need to draw this one longer. So friends, first of all only you have to draw the longer one. It is B and it is 6 centimeter. So I got a point A. Join this. This is BA, which is here what, 6 centimeter, and this is A to D, it is 4 centimeter. So one triangle we have made. Now we want to take a D as a center and we have to cut the arc for the C this side. So which we need for as a 7 centimeter. So take here, it is 7 centimeter. So we'll cut this arc here, 7 centimeter, okay. Now B to C we need to draw. Take this arc long, B as a center, and we'll cut this C, okay, which we need a 5. This is a 5. So we'll cut this arc. The point which I got here, it is a C. We'll join B to C. It is 5 centimeter, and then at last C to D, which is 7 centimeter. So friend, this is our quadrilateral ready. The quadrilateral is what? ABCD. So the next question is it possible to construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which these sides are given? So we'll first draw the rough one, the triangle ABD. ABD here friends, which is what? 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and this is what? 9 centimeter. Here we have given. And then this one will be what? B2C is given as a 4 centimeter, and this one is given as a what? 5.5 centimeter. So if we see the triangle inequality property, that the sum of any two sides should be greater than what? The third side. So it should be greater than the third side. So here the two sides are what? 3 plus 6, 9. 9 is equal to 9 coming. So in this case the triangle only not possible. Triangle is what? Not possible. So as the triangle is not possible, therefore quadrilateral is also not possible. So you can say by using the triangle is not going to form because of the triangle inequality property. That's why quadrilateral is also not going to form.